The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you need some help, please feel free to give us a call at 630-324-6666. That's 630-324-6666. Thanks for watching.
Hi, this is Andrew with Learn About Law. In this video, we'll discuss how dating can affect spousal maintenance in Illinois. So first off, the act of simply spending time with another person romantically is not grounds for termination of spousal maintenance. However, there are certain guidelines that divorced couples should be aware of so that they don't unintentionally have their alimony terminated. Because once it's gone, it's gone. It's gone forever, pretty much. Cohabitation is the big thing to understand here. If you are found to be cohabitating with another person, your ex-spouse can petition for termination of spousal maintenance, and they will most likely win. Behavior that can indicate cohabitation includes combined finances, such as opening a joint bank account or co-signing on a loan or credit card, sharing a residence. This doesn't include people who are just roommates, spending holidays and vacations together, listing the other person as a beneficiary, posting about your relationship in social media, and any freely given communication that indicates a cohabitation situation. There are no discrete guidelines for any of these factors. If your ex-spouse thinks your dating has reached a level of cohabitation or vice versa, a petition for modification and termination may be warranted. If there is no guarantee that the alimony will be terminated, as each side must argue their case at the hearing. If you have any questions about spousal maintenance in Illinois, please give us a call. And as always, thanks for tuning in.
Hi, this is Kevin O'Flaherty again. I hope you enjoyed that video. We have many geographical locations for your convenience, so if you need some help, give us a call at 630-324-6666. That's 630-324-6666. Thanks again.